Hello everyone, my name is Paul Prochilo, co-founder and CEO of Simplicity Car Care. I hope this video finds you and your families in the best of health. We face a period of significant disruption and volatility in our businesses and in life overall. The COVID-19 pandemic is changing everything about life as we know it. At Simplicity Car Care, we are completely focused on how to best protect and support our families, employees, customers, and the communities we serve in the face of this unfolding pandemic. However, as an industry and an entire country, it's obvious our resilience is stronger than ever. With the practice of social distancing and legislated closures, communities and families across Canada are using the gig economy and technology to attempt to maintain some form of normality in these very turbulent times. I'd like to take this time to share a message to our valued stakeholders. First, I'd like to speak to our strategic franchise partners, their employees, and the employees of Simplicity Car Care. Words cannot articulate my gratitude and appreciation for the outstanding work you're doing as an essential service. As you all know, Simplicity Car Care was very swift to act on the personal protection equipment or PPE protocols in order to protect employees and customers. We have been working with management at every facility on a weekly basis to provide best practices in sanitization and protection to support and protect our most valuable resources. That's each and every one of you. You are the front line, wowing our customers, all while we fight an enemy that we cannot see. But remember, you are not alone. Remember this always, and thank you for your tremendous service. I'd like to also speak to all the collision repairers across the entire country of Canada. This is a time where we need to bind together in solidarity. You may be feeling an abundance of stressors about how to manage this change, how to implement a business continuity plan, and how are you going to come out of this stronger in the long run. And if you're having those stressors, then Simplicity Car Care is here to help you. My message to you is very clear. Reach out to us at COVID-19@simplicitycarcare.ca. Let us know where you're having issues. Our team will deploy resources to help you electronically immediately. This is all free of charge. We just need to help and support one another as an industry so we can all come out of this stronger following. To our customers, it's simple. You are the motivating driver to all of our efforts. And I want to share a very simple message with you, that we are here to serve you. We are here to help you in any way possible. We appreciate that you may not be visiting our service advisors within our franchise locations or our corporate stores due to social distancing. And I want to let you know, we completely agree. We need to do everything we can to flatten the curve. However, technology allows us an unprecedented access to one another. So if you have a claim or if you have damage that you want to repair, feel free to utilize photos via email to any location which is convenient for you. You can find all of our locations available with all of their contact info at simplicitycarcare.ca. Or try photo-based estimating provided by some insurers. I also want to state that we have revised our service offerings and developed what we call the Simplicity Touchless claim. Our franchise locations can complete an estimate via photos from online, in which case we will valet your vehicle via flatbed to our facility, complete a comprehensive sanitization before repairs and following repairs. Once the repairs are completed and sanitization has been done, we will flatbed the vehicle and valet it directly to your driveway. Hassle-free and very simple. Today, more than ever, Simplicity Car Care's corporate team and our strategic franchise partners are committed to the vision of making car care simple and affordable for every vehicle owner in the world. To our insurance and fleet partners, as well as the entire supply chain, as you all know, we are open for business. The Simplicity Car Care business continuity plan is very robust and we executed very quickly. We have mobilized our resources and created a centralized command center where we are supporting our strategic franchise partners with all of the resources they need to maintain business as usual during an exceptionally unusual time. I'd like to thank our business partners and our supply chain for all of their tremendous work. It is our collaboration that is making a difference in the lives of our mutual customers, and I know we will all come out of this leaner and stronger than ever as we invest in technology and processes in the interest of protecting our employees and our customers, all while enhancing the client experience. In closing, I want to give a special thanks, very heartfelt thank you, to all of the healthcare workers across the globe that are putting themselves directly in contact with COVID and in danger in order to help all of us that are affected. All of you are in our thoughts and prayers, and I want to say that we love you and thank you very much for your selflessness and all of your tremendous work. In times like this, we must lead with hope and optimism. We must focus on what we can control and not on what we can't. The health and safety of our friends and communities remain our most urgent priority. I'd like to thank you all in advance for doing your part to stop the spread of COVID-19 by taking all of the necessary precautions to protect yourself and those around you. I wish you and your family, all of your employees, an abundance of health and wellness. Thank you for the audience, and thank you for everything you're doing.